So you need good health care in the UAE, so do we, everyone does, but you generally ignore or postpone getting a health insurance plan, and when you actually need it, you realize that you still don't have it. Why? Maybe because you think it's very complicated. Here are some points to remember when buying medical insurance in the UAE. Number 1. Premium and coverage. Expensive insurance policies are not necessarily always good. If premiums are identical, benefits such as OPD, hospitalization cash benefit, coverage of critical illness etc. should be reviewed. Assess and identify the benefits you need. Choose the appropriate cover. Identify 3-4 products and compare them to find your ideal policy. Number 2. Basic hospitalization cover. Well, in this segment, if your pocket doesn't allow you to buy a comprehensive health insurance policy, you must buy a basic health insurance plan, which pays expenses incurred out of an accident or illness. Number 3. Sum assured. Sum assured can be determined on the basis of the city you live in and your family size. Keep in mind that healthcare costs more in big cities as compared to smaller cities, so typically, sum assured of 20 to 30,000 for a family of 3 to 4 members in small and big cities like Dubai respectively, are considered appropriate. Number 4. Family floater policy. It is always recommended to buy a family floater health insurance policy instead of individual policy. Under the family floater policy, each member on the policy can utilize sum assured either individually or collectively. Thus, you can save on premium. Number 5. Separate policy for parents. In family floater policies, premium amount is calculated on the basis of the age of the eldest member. Therefore, it is always advisable to have a separate policy for parents, and save on premium. Number 6. Daycare procedures. Before buying insurance, have a look at the list of diseases covered under daycare procedures. Number 7. Exclusions. Before signing on the policy document, policy buyers should go through it very carefully. And, also ask for detailed terms and conditions of the policy. In any policy, exclusion part is very important because it mentions the diseases and scenarios which are not covered under the policy. Number 8. Claim settlement ratio. Check the claim settlement ratio of the insurer before buying insurance, as this directly relates to how many claims does the insurer pay on average. The higher the ratio, the better it is. Number 9. Network hospitals. In the case of an illness, you are most likely to choose hospitals, which are near your place of residence. You must try and choose insurers, which have these hospitals in their network. Well, that's why we at Bayzat.com decided to make health insurance smarter. Here's what we do. We make a plan and check every clause, every tiny bit of fine clue, the one that is good for you and the hidden one which gives you nasty surprises when you claim. We check the insurance company's performance, their reputation, and most importantly their claim settlement record. No point getting stuck with something which might not be delivered when it comes. We get doctors to check which plan cover more convection with lesser restrictions, and we check the price too. Then we focus on you. You want a piece of private room, but what if plans have limits that pay for treatment only as per a shared room? Not very exciting, right? Which specific hospital you want in yours? What's your life stage? Are you most likely to incur medical costs of maternity expenses or guard against heart problems? We take everything that's important for the price, hospital and coverage,